Hello there, aspiring online entrepreneurs. It's Choco, your trusted guide to making money online. Today, I've got something special for you. We're diving into side hustle ideas that no one is talking about for 2023, and these opportunities are available worldwide. So, if you're ready to level up your income game, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Are you tired of the daily grind and searching for an easy way to boost your income online? Well, look no further, because today, I'm about to unveil some unique, high-paying side hustle ideas that could change your financial landscape forever. And yes, I mean it. Stick around to discover these hidden gems and how they could put some extra cash in your pocket. Before we jump in, remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and these opportunities, while promising, come with some risks. Always do your own research and consider your own financial situation. Now, let's dive in. First up, we have the Universal Human Relevance System, or UHRS by Microsoft. It's not just a side hustle, it's a hidden treasure for data enthusiasts like you. Here, the potential earnings range between $4 and $20 per hour, depending on your location and the complexity of the tasks you choose to take on. But here's the exciting part, it's more than just easy money. It's your opportunity to become a player in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Isn't that fascinating? I knew you'd think so. Now, let's take a deeper dive into what this platform is all about. UHRS is a platform where you get to perform various tasks and provide data that helps improve the accuracy and intelligence of AI systems. These tasks could include data categorization, sentiment analysis, or even content evaluation. In essence, you're contributing to the training of AI algorithms that power smart devices, search engines, and more. Your role here is crucial in making technology more efficient and accurate. Now, let me walk you through the simple steps to get started. Begin your journey by visiting the official UHRS website. You can find the link in the video description. Once there, you'll gain access to a world of AI development and money-making opportunities. Creating an account is the next step, and it's a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a UHRS contributor. And now, it's time to dive into the tasks. These tasks aren't just about making money, they're about training AI algorithms. By completing these tasks, you're helping technology understand and interact with the world better. It's like being a digital pioneer. As you complete tasks, you'll start to see your earnings grow. Your income potential is directly tied to the effort you put in. The more tasks you tackle, the more you can earn. It's a flexible way to bolster your financial situation. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to unveiling these hidden opportunities and guiding you towards financial success. Your journey is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Now that you've got the inside scoop on UHRS, you're well on your way to building a brighter financial future. But that's not all, there are more intriguing side hustles to explore. So, hit that subscribe button and let's keep the momentum going. Together, we'll unlock a world of opportunities. Next in line is Mod Squad, your ticket to making $15 per hour from the comfort of your own home. This platform offers a variety of tasks, primarily in customer support and social media management. Interested? Let me guide you on how to join the squad. So, what's Mod Squad all about? Mod Squad is a dynamic platform that connects you with a wide range of tasks related to customer support and social media management. They work with companies from various industries, providing you with an array of opportunities to dive into. Whether it's moderating content on social media, managing online communities, or even offering customer support, Mod Squad has your back. You'll be the digital guardian and community builder, all while earning a cool $15 per hour from the comfort of your own home. It's not just easy money, it's a chance to be part of the online world's backstage crew. Now, let's explore the steps to become a part of this exciting community. To get started with Mod Squad, head over to the Mod Squad website. You can find the link in the video description. This is your gateway to a world of online tasks and income opportunities. 2. Fill out an application, and you're one step closer to joining the squad. The application process is straightforward, and it won't take up much of your time. 3. Once you're in, you can explore the diverse opportunities offered by Mod Squad. Whether you're into social media management, community moderation, or customer support, there's something here for you. 4. Your journey with Mod Squad begins by boosting your income. And as you do that, be sure to keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll uncover more hidden gems for you. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to guide you through these exciting opportunities and help you turn your financial dreams into reality. Now that you've learned about Mod Squad, your path to extra income is clear. But there's more to discover in the world of side hustles. Hit that subscribe button to keep exploring with us. Together, we'll unlock a universe of opportunities. Now, let's talk about iSoftStone. This technology solutions company opens the door to worldwide opportunities. Your earning potential here is incredible, but first, let me guide you on how to get started. So, what exactly is iSoftStone? It's not just a company, it's a gateway to a world of technology solutions and global opportunities. iSoftStone collaborates with a variety of industries, offering a diverse array of roles for individuals like you. Whether it's technology sales, digital marketing, or information technology, iSoftStone has a place for your skills. And here's the exciting part, the earning potential is impressive. It's your chance to make big bucks while contributing to the ever-evolving tech world. Now, let's explore the steps to embark on this incredible journey. To get started with iSoftStone, visit their official website. You can find the link in the video description. This is your portal to a world of tech-related opportunities. Explore the roles they have available. iSoftStone covers a wide spectrum of positions, so you're likely to find something that matches your skills and interests. Start your journey towards making big bucks. Your income potential here is substantial, and the experience you gain can be invaluable for your career. And, of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're your partner in discovering hidden opportunities, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay with us as we uncover even more hidden gems. We're your trusted guide to unveiling a wealth of opportunities. Next we have StudyPool, a goldmine for teachers, students, and anyone passionate about sharing knowledge. Tutors are making up to $7,000 per month. Does it sound too good to be true? It's not! Let me show you how. StudyPool is not just a platform, it's a treasure trove for those who love to teach and learn. StudyPool connects students with tutors from all over the world. If you're a subject expert or just passionate about a particular topic, you can earn a substantial income here. Tutors are making up to $7,000 per month by sharing their wisdom. It's the perfect blend of earning and educating. Begin by checking out the StudyPool website. You can find the link in the video description. It's your portal to a world of educational opportunities. Sign up and explore the subjects you're passionate about. Whether it's math, science, humanities, or any other field, there's a place for your knowledge here. Share your wisdom and watch your income soar. As you help students excel in their studies, your earnings will grow too. It's a rewarding experience on all fronts. And, as always, keep watching our channel. We're dedicated to unveiling more lucrative opportunities like this one. Your journey to financial success is just beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Now you're on the path to sharing knowledge and earning a substantial income. But there's more to explore in the world of side hustles. So, stay with us as we uncover even more hidden gems. We're your trusted guide to unveiling a wealth of opportunities. At number 5 is InMoment, your gateway to earning between $8 and $20 per hour by providing invaluable customer feedback. But how can you become a part of this money-making journey? Let's break it down. So, what exactly is InMoment is an opportunity to voice your thoughts and earn while doing it. InMoment connects you with part-time opportunities that involve providing crucial feedback to companies. Your insights help these companies enhance their products and services. It's not just about earning, it's about making a real impact on the business world. To join this exciting journey, begin by heading over to the InMoment website. You can find the link in the video description. This is your entry point to a world of feedback and income opportunities. Browse through the available part-time opportunities. InMoment offers a variety of projects, so you're likely to find one that matches your interests and schedule. Start earning while helping companies improve. Your feedback is valuable, and your income will reflect that. It's a win-win situation. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to uncover these fantastic opportunities and guide you on your journey to financial success. You're now ready to become a feedback champion and earn at the same time. But remember, there's a whole world of side hustles to explore. So, stay with us as we unveil more hidden gems and guide you towards a brighter financial future. We're your trusted companions on this exciting path. Last but not least, Spare 5 is an option worth considering. It's an opportunity for easy money and an excellent side hustle. But how do you get in on the action? Here's the deal. So, what's Spare 5 all about? It's not just a platform, it's your gateway to a straightforward side hustle that can boost your income. Spare 5 offers a variety of tasks that you can complete at your convenience. Whether it's categorizing images, providing feedback, or any other microtask, you're in control. It's a great way to earn extra income without a complicated process. Now to get started, you must start by visiting the Spare 5 platform. You can find the link in the video description. This is your entry into the world of microtasks and extra income. Sign up for tasks that interest you. Spare 5 gives you the flexibility to choose tasks that match your skills and preferences. Start earning and enjoy your newfound income stream. It's easy money that can make a real difference in your financial life. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to share these opportunities and help you join our thriving online money-making community. Together, we'll continue to explore and discover more financial possibilities. Now that you've explored the platforms, you have an easy way to boost your income. But remember, there's a world of side hustles waiting for you. Stay with us to uncover more hidden gems and be part of our thriving online money-making community. We're your partners in this exciting journey. Congratulations! You've just uncovered some of the most underrated side hustles for 2023. Whether you're a data enthusiast, a social media guru, a tech-savvy individual, or just someone who loves sharing knowledge, there's an opportunity waiting for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest money-making strategies. Your financial future thanks you. Before we wrap up, I want to thank all our amazing subscribers for your support. You're the heart and soul of this channel. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join our growing community today. Plus, you can support the channel by donating or purchasing our merchandise. Simply email us at thokatrading@gmail.com. Looking for video editing services? We've got you covered. Send us an email for details. And, if you want the links to the websites we discussed in this video, guess what? Send us an email, and we'll be happy to share. Need business funding? Find the link in the description section. And don't forget to grab a copy of Transform Your Home into a Cash Machine. The link is waiting for you in the description. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and staying tuned for our next exciting video. Together, we're turning dreams into reality.